When Ben decided to take the stairs instead of the elevator, he felt proud. It was just one small choice for his health, but something strange started happening. The next week, he walked to the grocery store instead of driving. Then he started washing dishes by hand instead of using the dishwasher, writing letters instead of sending texts, shopping at 5 different stores instead of 1. Each choice felt noble, like he was building character. Like easy meant lazy. His friends noticed first. Simple plans became complicated. Meeting for coffee turned into hour-long walks to distant cafes. Ben convinced himself this was better, that suffering through easy things made him worthy of good things. But his days grew exhausting. Every simple task became an elaborate process. He was turning his life into an endurance test. One morning, Ben stood at the bottom of 20 flights of stairs, late for an important meeting. Elevator doors opened right beside him, and for the first time in months, he hesitated. Part 2. Tomorrow.